Welcome back, ladies. It's your girl Hypnotic Lady, and I am back. The company I will be working with today is Unice. Jumping right in, they sent me some cute stuff, y'all. I got a cute little silk bonnet, a Unice headband, a cute Unice silk scarf, 2 wig caps, not one, 2, and then of course the little bag that they sent me, and then they sent me a little bag of goodies. I got some 3D Unice mink lashes, and of course this super cute pink silk robe, y'all. It has Unice on the front and Unice on the back. It was so cute. I just had to put it on. Okay, this is the hair. This is their 32-inch deep curly 5x5 closure wig. It did come in 250 density. Comes with 3 combs and adjustable straps, and it is HD lace. This is what it's looking like straight out the pack. I did not have to pluck this unit or anything. All I did was bleach to knots. Jumping right in, I am showing you guys this is a full 5x5 closer, so you can do deep middle parts, deep side parts, whichever one you are preferring, and you can wear this completely glueless if you want to. You do not have to adhere it down at all. If you don't have no glue or no got to be, baby, you can literally just put it on your head. But okay, jumping right in, I'm going to put this Remy wax stick on top, and we are just going to basically mold this closure, get it as flat as possible, make it look really natural, nice and sleek. Since this hair was deep curly, it did have a lot of texture and body to it, and it was kind of looking like a helmet on top. So you want to go ahead and flatten that out. And you see the difference. You see how high that was and how low we just knocked that down with a hot comb. So yes, use your hot comb. Your hot comb is your best friend for sure. I'm just going to run that through a couple of times till I get it to my liking. You don't have to do it this long. You do it till you like it. But make sure it's flat, sis. You want it to look like scalp, nothing else. Once we get that done, we're going to go ahead and get ready with our adhesive and start getting ready to lay it down. Next, I'm going to take these little clips that I got from Target, and I'm just going to pin my hair back. We're going to go in with our Even Wonder Lace Spray. This is their sensitive spray. This is their new, line. It's the sensitive spray for sensitive skin. I'm just going to pop that right on top of the lace, like so. And then I'm going to go in with my Songbird blow dryer and my rat tail comb and just comb the spray into the lace. This is not adhesive. It comes off with water, so if you get it on your hair, you do not have to worry about it. I would just say make sure you have a comb handy or near you when you are blow drying. You do not want the spray to dry in your hair because it will get gunky and look like a buildup, and you don't want that. Now I'm going to go in with my eyebrow razor and just cut the lace off. I did cut a little slit in the middle, and I just cut off each side like so till we get to the ends. Once that's done, I am going to go in with my Ruby Kisses Coverage Cream Foundation in the shade Honey Beige, and I'm just going to pop that in on the lace so I can just get that discoloration out of there. Once that's done, I am going to go ahead and pull out my baby hairs. I'm doing some simple baby hairs, not too much. Just pulling out a little bit by temple since this is a 5x5 lace. I wanted to just hide the edge of the closure. Once I get this side pulled out, I'm going to repeat the same steps on the other side, and then we are going to put a little bit of Lotta Body foam on that, lay that down with our Unice elastic headband, and start defining this curl pattern, okay? And ladies, don't forget to pluck your baby hairs if they look a little thick. I forgot to show that on camera, but I did go in off camera and ended up thinning the baby hairs out a little bit because they were a little too thick with me initially pulling them out, but that wasn't nothing that we couldn't fix, okay? Now, I also recommend you running your hot comb through your baby hairs or your edges before you lay them down with your Lotta Body foam. Just because I feel like it just gives that seamless flat look, like it's growing out your scalp. It's not bulky or lifting or anything like that. Everything's nice and flat. Now I'm going to take my Lotta Body Foam. You only need a little bit. It goes a long way. And you just want to lay that down right on top of your baby hairs. Once it's, it literally lays the hair down instantly as soon as it touches it. But just basically massage that in. And then I'm going to take my Unice elastic band, tie that down. And now I am going to take my Clairol Root Touch Up, and I got this from Amazon for about 20 bucks. I'm just going to go in and define my part. I did over bleach my knots a little bit, but that ain't nothing that we can't fix. Once we get that done, I am going to go in with some foundation powder to clean up my part, make it look nice and neat, and then we will get into defining this curl pattern and wrap this video up. I am going to take my LA Girl Pro Face. I just wanted to show you guys in Pure Honey, and I'm just going to pop that right in the part. Just so, you know, I bring some color back. I hate when, you know, your part looks white or too light, and with me being a little brown skinned girl, you know, a little tan, you got to add a little color in there. So here I am just defining that, making that all nice and neat and looking as realistic as possible, baby. It's already giving scalp, okay? Now, once that's nice and neat, look how nice that looks. We're going to go ahead and take our handy dandy little spray bottle. I did just part my hair down the middle on 2 sections and pull them front forward, and I'm just going to wet this whole hair. This hair was super thick. Like I said, it was 250 density, so I wet the whole hair. Like, it wasn't dripping, but it was damn near almost dripping. Like, it was wet. And I start brushing from the bottom and then work my way up. You always want to start at the bottom or mid-length and then work your way up. If you start detangling or trying to define your curl pattern at the root, you can risk ripping out your hair or tearing the hair, which you do not want to do. Always start at the bottom or mid-length, just close to the bottom, and work your way up to the top. So that way you are limiting your shedding, limiting your tangling, all of that. You know, you want to keep it nice and tight. Now, I did speed this part up just because it ain't nothing but me just defining the curl pattern. And I am going to show you guys a slow-mo in just a second of what the hair is looking like with just water in it. There's no other product in this at all. We didn't put no mousse, no curl cream, none of that. Just water. And look how it looks. Look at that. Look at those curls. And look how that brush is just gliding through that hair. I did not get no tangles, no snags, no nothing. Okay, just a little bit of water and my paddle brush, and it's gliding, baby. It's figure skating through the hair. You feel me? Look at that. And the hair is so cute. The texture is so cute to me. Like, the curl pattern is cute. Very much giving. Okay, and you guys see the difference. This is what it looks like wet and dry. Now I'm going to come back to you guys with everything finished. You see what we giving. We giving. It's vacation vibes, okay? And y'all, this 32 inches. I am 5 foot even, so I wanted to show you guys what it looks like stretched out. It comes to like my mid hip, like past my butt. It was really long stretched out. This is what the lace is looking like once we done let the lace sit up under the band. Now I'm going to take my Kaposi mini straightener, and you can get this off of Amazon. Just type in Kaposi straightener and it'll pop up. I am just pre-curling my baby hairs, curling them away from my face. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit of Eco Style gel and just swoop my baby hairs into place. Nothing too much. If you need to go in and cut some of the extra hairs off, go ahead and do that with your scissors. You don't want your baby hairs looking too grown. You don't want them looking like adult hairs, you know. Now I'm just going to repeat the same steps on the other side, and once that's done, that will be the finished look. One last thing, I'm gonna run my hot comb through the top with just one more time. Make sure everything's nice and flat, nice and neat. I am a little perfectionist, and I want it to look very much like my hair, especially with the wet and wavy, because I don't know, I love the hair. It just does something to me, the curl pattern and stuff. But Once we get everything nice and neat, this part is optional. You don't have to do this. This is what the ending looks like. Y'all get into it, get into it. This is Unice. This is their 32-inch deep curly lace closure wig, 5x5 HD, baby, 250 density. Don't play, okay? This hair was very much given, y'all. Like, if it was a cold day, a bitch would stay warm. You feel me? Because this hair had all the body in the world. All the body in the world. And then the length was giving. I'm 5 foot even. Y'all look at the lace. This is HD lace. Y'all see it? You see it? There's no lace. No lace, no case. That's all me. That's my hair. Yeah. I've been growing it for about 10 years now. No, I'm just playing. But y'all, get into it. I love this wig. This is going to be super easy, quick to throw on. You don't have to do too much. Quick and easy, wet and go. Again, ladies, this is Unicehair. This is what the back looks like. Like I said, 250 density, full of body. Look at all of that. You cannot see through that hair at all. You can't even tell me what the color of my back was. Like, it's full. And it's full all the way root to tip. I hate having curly hair that's not full at the ends, and this was definitely giving. So let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.